Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how you can create and customize a sign-up form for your affiliate program on your Shopify store using Afflr. Once you have logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, and you have opened the Afflr affiliate marketing app, you're here on the Afflr dashboard, look up at the top and click on the Program section. Next, let's go ahead and select an already created program. If you need to create a new program from scratch, there's a helpful video in the description box below. For now, let's go ahead and select a program. Once you've selected a program, click on the Edit Program button located at the top right-hand side. This will take you to the Update Program page. From there, select the Sign Up Form section. Now, you're in the Sign Up Form editor, where you can create and customize your sign-up form. The Sign Up Form editor has two main sections, the Sign Up Form page and the confirmation part. You'll notice a preview option on the right-hand side. Any changes you make to the fields will be reflected here. For instance, if you make changes to the first name field, it will be updated in real time for you to see in the preview viewer on the right-hand side. Clicking the drop-down beside first name gives you two options: the field label, which you can customize by clicking and typing, and the field's placeholder text. If you need to add a new field, simply click the Add Field button. Once you've clicked Add Field, you can create a field that suits your needs. For example, if you want to create a phone number field, first choose the field type. Let's choose phone number from the different options. Enter the field label as Enter Your Phone Number and set the placeholder text if desired. Then you can specify the field's name, which is important for data submission, though it's not visible to affiliates. If the field should be required, simply toggle the required option on. To remove a field, click on the Remove Field button, and it will be deleted. Under the Content section drop-down, you can customize all visible content on the left-hand side, such as headings and body text. Make any necessary changes here. Below this, the Color section allows you to adjust colors to your preference. In the Advanced section, you have the option to enter custom CSS. Once you're satisfied with the Sign-up Form section, move to the Confirmation section. In the Confirmation section, you can enter the heading text and customize the primary body text. You'll notice some text within curly brackets. These are called shortcodes. Afflr offers various shortcode variables for you to use. By using the drop-down next to the VAR section, you can see variable options like affiliate name or affiliate commission. For instance, using the affiliate name shortcode can turn "Congratulations affiliate name" into a personalized message displaying the affiliate's own name. That's the beauty of shortcodes. Tailor everything to your liking. If you'd like, add your social media links. Once you're done, click on Save and Publish button. Your sign-up form is updated, and you can preview it by clicking on the Preview button on the top right-hand side of the page. And there you have it. Your sign-up form is all set up and ready to use. You can check out the video in the description to know how you can embed your sign-up form in your Shopify store.